Hi everybody, good morning. I'm doing opt-in operation TinkerTech number 3. This is basically after the threat actor got the VPN configuration file and was able through private access location, and then he was able to access to the system. So they give us this file, a zip file. When you get this zip file, what they give us in the zip file, it says Santa Claus.binary, so it's a binary file. Now to analyze it, we'll use two options. I'm trying to do it with first these two functions. The one that usually we use for try hack me is volatility 3. You can install it, it's simple to install, just download it and install it. The next one we'll use it is memory proc fs. This is a new one. It's simpler to like you're running on it like you are in Windows machine, so we'll use these two. The idea is also to use some online because it's malware, so we have this, for example, a room from intro to my malware analyzed by TryHackMe. So I try to use these first two. This one is off and one I didn't able to access. Then we have any run, we'll use it, and we use also this honest sample using hybrid analysis, the same at room in TryHackMe. So we'll use them later on. I have a Windows machine, it's a virtual machine. I installed this memory, this memproc.fs. You install it in Windows, installation in Windows, of course. You download this dump it, you install this one separately, then you download the latest version for it for Windows. And then the command line we'll use this with option forensic 1. So we needed to analyze for us some malware analysis and see the command line for it. So I already installed, so we don't waste time. So basically after you install it, I can just run it straight. msprofs.x minus device, this is the binary that we have from Hack the Box, Santa Claus minus forensic 1. So this is the command line. Then it run, so we don't waste time. Then if you go to the PC, you see a new network location. It's called sorry, memproc.fs. So basically, as I said, is simple command. And then you wait for a bit, couple of minutes to finish. You need to wait for it to finish, and then it give you this. Interesting, you can have this memory also dump. You can use a debugger for it. You can see now, for example, if I go to system, I get me net, for example. I can get a net stat, and you can see the communication already, like for example, this IP going to port 447 with SV host. All the rest connection, so you get all these things straightforward, task users and all of that. And also this is why we use forensic equal 1. This option forensic 1 will give you this folder, give you forensic. In forensic, the interesting part, for example, find devil, this one it gives you sort of an idea if there is something malicious. So if we go now to this file, it start flagging certain too many things. You can see this processor prison.xee. So is exactly, this is not a normal Windows processes. So we can definitely have this as a red flag. Then it flag also the SV host. Because now this one is like, it's not 100% to give you the 100% is all of them, because there's a lot of things here, so you can't really guess which one is which one. So it keeps flagging this process. You see in SV host is also flagged, is private RX. If you go here, the forensic part, where is the forensic? I forgot where is it. Windows, Linux, Python example, forensic mode, built-in license link, guys, I don't know where is the information for, but in any case, let's follow it. So basically what we have now, it flags certain things, like it tells us that is host. Now I'm not sure, I forgot the reason for Rx menu. It's read and write, so it's flagged because I have some permission here. So now we need to look for which one is the bad process. Of course, now we know this is not a Windows process in any case, present.fx. So let's go now to volatility. You can run volatility, for example. I can remember, so you run the Python script, you run ingest your binary, I do -h to get the command line. So now the first thing you can do is, for example, we can start with having the process like ps, let's like the ps3 pre-process. Let's do copy quickly so I don't waste time. So let's leave this in it so we can know exactly what we're doing. To detect the profile alone, so let's not flip around. So now let's get the process tree, so it gives us the process tree. What else we can do? No, there is I like the process trees because given a relation. So August, you can see again we get present.exe is process number 3248, parent 60. I don't know what's the parent, is not here. You can see this. This is the process, a bit strange. The rest is Explorer, all our windows. We have this SV hosts because we get flagged before. So question, the process before, remember we have this mini process at 724, this process, and it's also here 724. So if we go back here and looking for process 724, where is the process 724? Is this one with a parent 580. Now the first thing we get when you start this room, so we know this is something not right, this is questionable. Now if we look also, we can get netstat, for example. We can get netscan. Let's get Windows netscan, so have a network too. Let's wait for it. Okay, network scan. It also give us you see, this is the process. No, this is not the process we have problem with. We have this one, the questionable process is connecting to this IP. You can 724 SV host. It's questionable. From the report we have informed. Remember guys, now we are not 100% anything is sure, but we can see some connection happening here. This one, so it might be something, this one may be something. Rest of connection look fine, but also velocity have something we can use. This one, list process memory range that potentially contain injected code. So we can use this option to confirm if anything is wrong. So using this process, the mal find list process memory range that potentially contain injected code. Remember, this report is a bit long, so we don't know exactly. We need to get, that's why I said, because maybe like a false positive, so we don't know 100% where is it. So now let's see what volatility it started. Give us this. For volatility 3, it gives a straight answer. It gives you the process name and it say what's the process. 724 SVC host is the one. So this is the process that has problem. So we know is injected. I'm not sure what exactly this, but so we know now by that this is the process that we have problem with it. Process number 724. So it give you an answer here, because if you go here, the question of the process, it's 724. So we know here. Now let's, because we have remember we got this this process here, present.x. So what I can do also, can do file scan. Where is that L? Because if that process start and name is a present, so we can say scan me the files and grab me anything with the word present. Because remember the first question, he said what is the name of the file that's likely copied from the shared folder. This took me a bit time, because I can guess the file, where is it, because it's part of the process present, but the idea of the shared folder, I don't know what logs I couldn't find specific logs that you can look at that give you the shared folder. But here you can see it gives you an idea here. Where is it? Also we can go here to, remember we have this file, we can go also to forensic. I can go to files, root, users, Santa Claus. If I go to his desktop, you can see it has this file, present for Santa. So we have this file there. The other user don't have. If you go to public, we have present for notice. So we have a file here, present for notice. So we can do, we have a stolen gift, something here, stolen gift. It's a DMP file. Document is nothing, so we know it's in public. In desktop there is nothing too. The other user is this Santa, it's only updated, so there's not, you have a temporary file, so this is not part of it. So basically that's what we have. So we know there is in desktop something. So one way to do this is, now we know the file is, there is a file called present for Santa. So we can get this zip folder by doing the next one is the dump file command. This one, if we want to get the file, I can just call it dump the file and say virtual address, and let's say what's Santa zip folder. I can just get this IP, the physical address, and let's get it. Okay, after you get the zip folder you get present for Santa. That's what you find. You find two files, one called click for present and one present VB. So what's inside that present for VB? ls, if I go vim present for VBS, okay, see, this is the file. We have that. So you can see there's a lot of text. This is all comment, so it's not executable. So it means all of that is what they call that, obfuscation. So it tried to throw us out, and then it go down. If you go down quickly, you can see the command is hidden inside. You can see he's defining a variable now, and then he go down. Then you have this all 84. Too many 84. Remember, all this command is not necessary to get it. So you can have this A4. And then if I go to the bottom of it, You see, it can't. This is the line that will start later on the process run. So we have two variables. This add this variable, now it will run, and then there is a A4 here. If we go bar and say grep A4 from prevent, so you can see what this A4 is doing here. So all these funny characters and all of that, and then it will run it at the end. Now if I come here, I just copy the all A4, you know, I have all the no, not this one, this is the original file. I don't want to touch it because this file, I just have all the A4, and I just said to him echo command. So I removed the run, so I'm not running it, I'm just to see what is A4 for. So if I run it here, remember I'm not running the full script, I'm just running the part of the script. So in A4 basically it's a PowerShell, the function is represent, you can see represent here, and then all these funny things. So we know what exactly would happen here. It's running PowerShell script. So basically we know the file is present for Santa, the one that we found in the desktop. I'm not sure about the share part of it. I tried to figure out why the share insisting in share. Then what is the file name used to trigger the attack? Remember, we open the file, is this file, click for present. So what exactly this click for present have on it? We can just use cut command and I can cut it, so we can feel what's happening. We have some funny character in code. So this is definitely is you can do it in command line, or just come to chef and say base 64. And you can see it has file get child item path C users filter present, so he's looking for present.vps, so he's looking for present VPS. File recurs select object expand property full name, and then CS script file. So he's looking, if I understand it correctly, he's looking for this present VB. So after you click here, he run VB. So you click, it run this. He's looking for it. You see. So basically, the next question he said, what's the file used to trigger is this one. So you need to click on this. So you run it. What's the name of the file executed by the click? Of course, when you click, as we said, it execute present file VBS, and we know the file VPS what it do. As we said, it has this function on it, you know. So now the next part of the equation is, what is the name of the program used to VPS next stage? Of course, we know this is from this is command to execute a function. Is using PowerShell to run this. So we know that. Now how to confirm that, as I said, we're trying to use this sandbox things from TryHackMe. I tried to let's use this one for this, and I had my history, and then you have this VPS. If we go to VPS now, because to write in save environment, you can see it's here. Is running PowerShell. You can see it's running PowerShell. Let's copy it. Let's paste it here. So this is the function. Is running PowerShell. So is a PowerShell running. Then the function is represent. That's why the answer the next one. It's a PowerShell represent. So we know is running represent, and then equal, then something and something, and then all this function. And then you can see what's happening here at the bottom. Is calling this IP. Now he couldn't find it, and then what's this response? No. So we have this. He wants this IP address. So if we go this, he's trying to do this IP 77, and we know this is IP destroy Christmas, download evil present. So it's downloading this evil present. So we can think about it. So you can do it here. Why not look for it? Oops, hold on, come down. Let's look for it. So we know what he's doing. He's connecting to this is the second stage. That's why the question said, what is the URL that the next stage was downloading from? So he's downloading this. So we know the analyst is downloading this file, present dot. So we know that. So if we follow the story, what is the IP port and execute download and shellcode from IP port? No, hold on a minute. This is the second stage. Remember they're still looking. You remember the present? We find here this executable file. We can download this executable file like we did before, like we get it. So I download it already. So this present file, so you can get it from here with the virtual address. You download it like we did with this with the dump file command, and then I run it. Where I run it, let's see, present. It didn't wake me here, because here when I say I try to do the present in any run, it tell me this. What happened? Try again. It couldn't run it, this one. So but this one was able to give me some information. When I run it in hybrid analysis, it give me this. So if I click here, it tell you network behavior. Remember, what's the question again? We're looking for the behavior of it. So if I go now view all details, you see it's running this IP and port 445, but we can go deeper on there. If we open it now and in Ghidra, so remember I'm using now Ghidra, and I open this file and you go to text file, so you can see this function could not this is the present.exe, the executable file. If you look very well here, this is the IP 7774. So this file, this is what the report is running this IP. So we know from the code of it, that's what he's doing. And look, very interesting part of it is this. Is connecting somehow to the FE host.exe. I'm not 100% understand all the process here, guys. I'm trying. I'll tell you what exactly I understand. So he's doing something there, and that's why this one was able to detect this. The rest of the stuff. This is the whole report. I'm not sure what else we can get from it. So we know the IP address is this. No, the IP address is this. Is connecting through that. This one is at contact server. Is contacting this IP. Sherlock inject PD. So you know about Sherlock. Okay. API. So these all things that in this present.exe. So now our story now it's here. What is the process ID? Remember we found this process is we already found it in here with Windows malfind. This function it gives us straight the PID is 72. It tell you exactly that the SV host is injected. This is the malicious part of it. So we know it's 724. So from here, so it's 724 process. The next one, what after the attacker established a command controlled connection, what command did they use to clear all event logs? Okay, for event logs, we can just come here. You can use you can use this and just search for PowerShell.ev. What was that? The logs for PowerShell from volatility. Or you can come here, play safer, and come here and say, okay, where is the logs? We have root. We go to Windows, system 32. Window invent, and that's the log. This is our logs we can use. Now we just need to know which log we're looking for. So you can search EVXT. I think the I forgot what. Yeah, we can search for the log also from here. Let's remember now for the log this. So we need to look for Windows PowerShell logs. Windows PowerShell logs, I already have it here. You need to copy it to your computer to run. So we have Windows PowerShell and I have a Defender. So if I open the PowerShell one, remember this one I got it from here, so guys don't get confused. Windows PowerShell is this one. I just copy it to computer because it doesn't want to run directly from this drive, so I need to copy it. So we have now this PowerShell, and if you open this a clear log, you just say find this for the clear. That's the clear. You see the function is the host application PowerShell clear log, get event log dash list for each object, clear event log name. So this is the function that used to clear the log. If you follow, this is the function that clear the log, and that's what is it. And that all these logs we have here. So you can download, for example, the PowerShell log that you want. PowerShell, because you just need, for example, PowerShell for Windows, and then when you have the next one is what is the full path of the folder that was excluded from Defender. Defender, we need to look for Defender logs. So we have the operational, so we need the operational one. This is the log we need, so we need to get Defender operation. Let's open Defender operation. This one is still finished. You can go everything, then you have the logs in your Linux system, and then you need to find a way to read the .avtx with another thing, or you work in Windows from this side. So this one is easier. So now we have a Defender, and you can see the first one already gave you the answer. New value, software, Microsoft Windows Defender exclusion path C user public. So we know what exactly the path. So all of that, this is not what we're looking for. The one that our answer is exactly on the top. This ID, it's already the answer here. You can see the file is a C user public. So we have the answers. C user public. Now, what is the origin name of the file that was ingressed in the victim? Remember, if I follow correctly, there is another file. If it was, if you remember, where is it? That why didn't find PowerShell? I didn't put the I. It's fine. This is the logs. You can look for them. Where is that? Not this one. Okay, let me make my chain of thoughts. This one file, present for Santa, and then this is a file. When I saw that file, now I lost my thoughts. This file was run. What is the year that next stage was downloaded from? It was downloaded by this, but this one is. This is another file in desktop. This is the firewall. Oops. This is the log for the. This is the event. It's a defender firewall. So the file we're done with it is the one that cleared. That's the only thing we need from the firewall. Now we have the PowerShell. You have also this. This is the present for not a child. Why we couldn't find it? Did they cancel? It should be. When I was searching for that, oops. You see, in the PowerShell you can have this this command already give us here. So it's if you look at the log, it said present for naughty child. I think this one was downloaded in the second stage. No, it was evil present.jpg. Stolen gift.temp evil present.jpg. And then what happened to that evil jpg? Hold on a minute, guys. I need to search for something now. Grep evil. If he's downloaded, where you put it? Evil underscore present. Evil. Just get evil. Why is not picking up? Damn it, that's why he's not picking it up. -I. I'm trying to figure out what happened to this. Sorry. This. No, this is give us the answer for the next one. Look, present for naughty child. When you get this file, I downloaded too. It's here, present for naughty child. You download it through volatility. After okay, this is the one. Remember, we got it too. So you download it again with this virtual memory address. You get it there, and then I took it to where I put it. I analyze it here. Present for naughty child. See what this do. Is a Trojan. You can see is proc dump. So when it run, it's a proc dump. That's why the question here is what is the original name of the file was ingressed in the victim. You see that it's proc dump. Even this will tell you there's no harmful anything because it doesn't allow you to run it. But you can see where this that naughty kids file is basically is hiding inside. So this file is hiding as proc dump software. So if you go there, it's a proc dump software. Then what is the name of the process targeted by proc dump? So if we go, because we know the proc dump is this present not a child. If I go to the log of PowerShell, you can see what he's doing. Potinoid shell is doing this command. Let's copy the command to make it all. I can't. So PowerShell, and he's doing minus accept URL minus R minus MA lsac user public stolen gift dot DMP. So he's using this the lsac, so that's why the answer is lsac. I'm not sure 100% what this command is do, because what exactly is doing, what this command is doing exactly, I'm not sure 100%. So he's using lsac, and then the output is in stolen gift.dmp. I'm not sure, maybe later on I need to create another virtual machine and play around it, run it, and see what exactly he's doing there. But you can see he's injecting the process lsac. If we go here, we only have the present. Why I can't find the evil minus I? I'm thinking about that evil things, where is it? Any case, that's overall. So some experience with try-hack me room, so we can get the first one. We get part of the presence, what he's doing. We know this one is proc dump. We know the VP, we got it, so that VP software, what he's doing, we know it's a PowerShell. Oh yeah, we can see also in VirtualBox. I uploaded, for example, this one detail. This for VirtualBox, when you get the MD5 present .exe, the MD5, and search for it. For example, the present, it tell you here like the relation, the IP. That's our IP. Graph summary, for example, this is presence one. It doesn't give us our IP here, so he's using the other IPs. What's this? 89. This is the presence software, the presence. So behavior, it tell you hi, and then all this file subsystem, call messaging. That's the presence. Connection host. False, I don't know what he's doing here. Okay, so communication, what's this? Capability convert IP address, memory inject thread linking thanks to Windows, load code, RX shell code. Okay, doesn't give too much information here. Dropped file, what is the dropped file? It doesn't allow me to see them. Okay, community, there is no community. Relation IP details was there. Import is importing all these files. Okay, and then also I uploaded the VB script. What's the present VPS script? The relation, it gives you this, and then we have this graphic of it. Oops, this what happened? Okay, a drop file. You have this drop file. What's this? This is our file we are not found. And this one, what is it? Zip file. I'm get confused about this. What's this? This one we said present for center.zip. You can see that's the first one. Unknown, this was not. Undetected. Contact URL. contact IP. So we download this zip folder first. So yeah, so also VirusTotal have the information about what we're looking for. So we have this. I would like if I can integrate and see next what exactly will do that. So basically after it run, it will have this command there. So storing gift, I don't know why this storing gift, I don't find it. Still the evil, I don't find it. It's like it's any case. Yeah, you can use mix things and software. I'm also in process of learning this digital forensics and all of that. This is my best for now. Thank you very much guys, and hope you enjoy it, and good day. Thank you very much.